Hey guys, Cyberdena here. In this week's video I'm going to be unboxing and trying on a pair of Demonia Swing 230G. I bought these from Tragic Beautiful, which is an Australian alternative online retailer who stock Demonias and a bunch of other, alternative brands, Killstar, things like that. I had been looking at these on Dolls Kill, but they don't ship to Australia, which sucks because they were $50 cheaper. So I got these for 223 Australian dollars. These usually retail for 115 US dollars, which on Dolls Kill translated to like 167 Australian. But yeah, they don't ship here. Even on Pleaser Shoes, which is like the parent company, they were 115 US, 167 Australian, but they were going to be about $50 for shipping. So I went with Tragic Beautiful because they had free shipping, but also it was going to cost that much anyway, so why not support a local business? So let's get into these. Ooh, so I got this cute little thank you card, which is a very pretty print. Oh, I love her. I think it was just the one ghost drop. I can't see anything else that went flying around. Alrighty. So this is the box. I haven't gotten a white lidded Demonia box before. All of my Demonias have had red lids, so that is fun and different. I have some extra packages which I was expecting, so I bought. I might have a bit of a collar problem. I'm going to make a collar collection video because along with these boots I also bought five more collars. So I'll show those in another video, but for today let's look at the boots. So all nicely packaged up. I can feel the texture of the boots even through all the paper. They all come individually wrapped. Got a chunk of cardboard. Let's just open one to start with. I love them. Heck yes. So this is the boot. It has silver love heart buckles and silver hardware, a white zip, the nice white textured platform bottom. I just pulled off the sticker because we don't need that. So I have a pair of the Demonia Swing 815s, which are the matte black with all just like lots of buckles down the front. I did custom size them by like punching holes in these. So the good thing about this is that it will fit regardless of your leg size, really. So we've got a little cardboard tube, a little rip of tissue paper because I didn't get a good grip. So there is one. Some of the glitter does come off. I can see it on my legs a little bit. Like one piece on my hand, which isn't too bad. I usually like to keep these so that they don't flop over and bend too much. So it does have a seam on the platform just here, which is on the inside of the boot. Nobody's going to see that, so that's not a big deal for me personally. They have very big platforms. These are a US 7, which is what I always get my Demonias in. The first time I bought Demonias, I did buy a size 6 and it was too small, so I go with 7s. Sometimes they're a bit roomy because I have got sort of skinny feet, but the length is perfect and I can just wear thick socks, so no big deal. So let's see how they fit. So these boots also glow under UV light, just, you know, for the added bonus when you go out. Alrighty, so I just did my try on of the Demonia Swing 230G. My first impressions all around are that I really like these. They're very lightweight and comfortable to wear. So the point where they come up to on the calf is a bit of an odd spot. It's sort of where my calf starts getting quite wide, thick even, but it didn't cut in or anything like that. If you do have bigger calves and ankles, then because of the buckle system where it has a buckle on each side, you can really customize the sizing for around the calf and ankle, and like I didn't have to adjust it at all and it fit perfectly fine. If my calves did get a bit bigger, sort of where these come up to, then I could just reduce them on that very top one, but for the moment they're perfectly fine. They do have a slightly more snug foot fit than my other Demonias. So they were a little bit tight on my left foot, which is my bigger foot, just sort of across the widest part of my foot. But that was for maybe the first minute or two of wearing them. By the time I had worn them for about 5-10 minutes, they felt still snug but not uncomfortably tight, and I think the more that I wear them, the more they'll sort of loosen up. I think the system for attaching the glitter does make it a bit more firm and tight. The tongue in my left one, is a little bit creased, crinkled, just from shipping, I would assume, but it doesn't dig in when it's on. It was still pretty comfortable, and it does move pretty easily and sort of reshape. These do have like a sort of squishy lining to them. My other swing do not. They're just the faux leather with like the slight lining, so they're not, you know, sweaty. But all in all, I really like these boots. I'm a very big fan of them and I'm very glad that I bought them. I've been thinking about it for a long time at this point, like 6 months at least. I have been thinking about doing some sort of styling for these boots specifically because they are something a bit different. These are my first pair of white boots that I have bought, so I thought it would be fun to do some styling for white boots in a goth setting. And so if you'd like to see that video, then make sure you subscribe down below. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Oh! I just threw a bunch of stuff around my room. I got a ghost drop. I used to love ghost drops when I was young. So I have a pair of, I think it must be a pair of swings. That's distracting. So they do have a seam. Just, hello.